So hi everyone, this is Ken here at the Stamps of Life. I'm in Orange County, California. We are in the Stamps of Life warehouse. You can see it's kind of a crazy, I wouldn't say a mess. It's somewhat organized, but it needs a little work. But anyhow, today we are going to, each month we have a ton of cards that come in from our design team, and we have to sort these out. So today I'm going to show you how we go through the sorting process, because some of them we sort and we want to keep kind of close to where we can find out where they are, because maybe they're from the current month. And if we can't find them, then we're in big trouble. So I got to sort them, get them into boxes, get them labeled, put them up on shelves. Some of the cards are very recent. You're going to see from the last couple months. And then we have some from the past too, the cards that I use from our Take Two Tuesday episode. So we're going to start sorting, and I'm going to show you how that goes. And maybe you have some fun ideas and a better way to sort these out, or a better way to organize these cards. If you can give me any good ideas, go ahead and post them down there on the comments section down below. That would be awesome. I'm using a selfie stick today. I never thought I would use a selfie stick in my life, but here I am. And it can do all kinds of crazy stuff. And I'm going to flip the camera around here so we can see our table and we can get to work. All right, here we go. So we've got this big old work table here in the back, and this is where Maria usually works, but I'm taking over her station today, and I've added this little extra table. The stuff that's under the pink sheet is probably top secret, so I'm not allowed to show you. That'd be like sneak peek, so you can't see any of that stuff. That section's okay. You see my organization plan there. Got these boxes and I'll label them. I've got a new box. I'll probably put all the Take Two Tuesday stuff in there. And here's all my cards. These are the cards we've got to go through. We've got a lot. How many? 1 basket, 2 baskets, 3, 4 baskets full of cards right here. So we got to sort all those out, get them cleaned up. Otherwise, they just end up getting piled up in our hallway down by our office area where we do all our computer work and that stuff. And I just can't have that. It just gets messier and messier. And then when we have a store day, all of a sudden I have all this junk I have to clean up. So we're going to start sorting these out. So we'll start right here with this first basket. Now, I bet most of you think we just have fun around here all the time in the Stamps of Life, right? Because Stephanie seems to make everything fun and interesting and cute and all that stuff. But you know what? Sometimes we just have to do boring work around here. And this is one of those jobs that if it doesn't get done, it can become crazy. All right, here we go. Basket number 2. On to basket number 3. Here we go. Okay, on to basket number 4. Scraps. That will all go in the trash. Basket 4 done. So you can see we've done a lot of sorting here, right? Look at all these cool cards. Some kind of fun idea for everybody. So I'm going to take these cards now that they are sorted out, and I'm going to get them into some boxes. Okay, here's our boxes. Again, this is going to be for the older items, or not older items, the newer items, sorry. And then this one will be our Take Two box. Now, the only problem with this system is you can see that writing is pretty terrible. That's my writing. Now, of course, I can read it, fine, no problem. But if somebody else has to read it, say I'm not around here, or if something bad were to happen to me, and I'm no longer at the Stamps of Life warehouse, somebody would have to try to figure out that writing. All right, here we go. This is going to be our Take Two Tuesday box. We're going to fill all this stuff up in here. Our puppy fold it, so I'm gonna have to write that down. I've got a couple markers here. Puppy fold it, and I've got a bird cage. Oh, that's not bird cage. This is our, what are these called? The peekaboo circles. These those pop up right there. I'm gonna put those in there, and I can only do a couple at a time, or else I won't remember. I'm gonna do my best writing now, since I'm being watched, right? I better do better. And then we had the peekaboo circle. number 1 here. That's got all of our Take Two items in there. Those will get filed for the past. And we've got, this is a box with the newer items. Look at all that stuff that's on there. Woo! See, don't try to read the writing. I labeled those. Now we got to fold them up and put them away. And you can see our table is nice and clean there. A few stragglers and our extra items from our Take Two Tuesday segments. Mission almost accomplished. All right, here we are. We're in our storeroom, and this is where we keep all the cards. So these are going to go up high. Organize that a little bit, and then the ones we won't use for a long time, we're going to go up in that section. Boom, we did it. All right, you can see my attempts at being organized. You can see these boxes are labeled, some of them, but you can't see the writing, so I'm gonna have to fix that. And then I've got some other ones up there from the past that we'll be using for future Take Two Tuesdays, where we have to break them out. We can do that. And the boxes we just finished, we threw up there. So awesome, we are making progress here. And that's how we try to keep our cards organized here at the Stamps of Life. Again, if you have any awesome ideas to organize these, put it in the comment down below. I will definitely read it, because organization is not my thing, but I know it's important. Okay, so thanks for joining me today and helping me get those cards put away. Again, I hope you'll be checking in with me on Take Two Tuesdays. We do those once a week. Let me fix this camera here. And then Stephanie will be back on with Crafting Corner on Thursdays. And then Mondays, Stephanie's got her No Makeup Monday. And of course, save the date for our special event here in Laguna Hills, California. You'll be in this. You can be in this warehouse or in our store area up front. Probably be doing lunch out back there. That's going to be on a Saturday, October 12th. So we hope you will join us. It should be a lot of fun. I am out of here. More work to do, but I just wanted to show you how we take care of some of these cards around here today. All right? Take care. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.